Am I recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Am I?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, you like that grenade?
Good stuff, people.
Coming up. Alright, let me.
We got prison.
Watch your slot for me. Everybody. Move in on your slot.
Jagger, we got a lot of contacts on right side. What's going on, Shadow? Where are you?
Alright, Ted. Y'all get some reinforcements. You gotta use them now.
Where the hell are they?
Coming over here, guys. You guys get Fox? Far end of hall. Copy.
Hey, they're pushing left side.
Alright, just get some reinforcements. So where's that? I'm gonna guys fall back for me. Fall back. Team, fall back. Halfway the field.
Fall back courtyard. Fall back courtyard.
Do that. Affirmative.
No tape. You guys.
One on the tire, one on the tire.
Halfway the field. Just got water jugs. If you're in courtyard right now, be sure you're behind that thing. Okay.
Hit.
Affirmative. Copy. Guard that shit with your eyes. Yes.
Come on, take team. Keep that leverage up. Push up.
One guy on the tires back there.
I'm going for him.
Courtyard as well.
There's one courtyard, and watch the tires on the left side.
3 guys down far.
We got one pushing on us.
You trying right now? Check.
Yeah, you're good. I've got 3 here on the left side pushing tavern and concession stand.
Myself in the courtyard. There's a couple more in hall. I cleared one.
There's one courtyard in that doorway. Watch out.
That goal is the shot. Gotta get working on it. There's still about 5 minutes remaining now. They've been trying to work with here.
And there's one in that building.
Josh, I see where you're going. Hold that shit over on that side. There's several on the right side outside of the prison. Got you. Use my names, boys.
Oh, that was
What's the status of the courtyard?
There's 3 on left side shooting cross field.
Nate.
Outskirts, you gotta help your team in one way or another. I can move it up. You're taking that prison pretty well. We need to use that bomb.
On the left side of the field.
Somebody needs to get long haul.
Okay, you guys are already in the field. You guys are great.
Literally on that side, too. Big long haul. Still empty. Copy.
That is not us. Our game is still going. Don't listen to that guy.
One on that fence right by our side of the prison. Go ahead on attack.
There's one on their corner of the spawn overlooking trench.
Keep working on that objective. Keep it out of their hands.
Three buildings. He retreated. He's going out.
Got him, corner guys down!
Get ready, boys.
All right, we gotta play hard.
Yes, sir.
Somebody catch hallway.
What's hall look like?
Cleared one.
Hear that? Coming around you? Or actually, you can go ahead. We're covered.
Oh, Daniel. That's what I like to see, baby. Put it in the edit.
In that room.
Sorry, man. Quad.
I'm overlooking hallway.
Traded in courtyard.
Obviously, edit. It was like, ooh, my door.
Dead walking. That's the guy watching courtyard far right behind the logs. Red hoodie.
Thank goodness, sir.
Copy. I pushed up on the left side in prison. Outside of it. What's your 20?
Overlooking hallway.
Left side, our tower. There's someone trying to push. I can't help you.
There you go. Good work, Toasty.
Did you guys push up on me?
Eli, did you put the armbands in the system? Not the armbands, but...
Be advised, there's one dude in the first hallway building in the first room.
It's clear.
First room is still not clear. I found him. I can get him with a nade. What I'm about to do.
It's all good to me.
Okay.
Gun hit, gun hit.
Hey, team. Let's get that shovel in. No team. Get a spawn. Let's go. I'll tell you a little secret real quick. You guys can go anywhere in the field as long as like 5 or 30 watch.
Hit!
Oh shit, did it?
Hey, team. I can tell you a secret too. I would just run at them.
God damn, that's twice I got hit with fucking grenade.
Sorry.
Shit, I hit mine.
in the hallway. Terminate at it. Rifle.
So sorry. That's the second time now.
Drop me, push me. I got one of them. Drop me.
Heads up, there's 3 in prison hallway.
Affirmative, I got shot in the back. My friend in the down security desk. There's like 4 sitting at the end of our end of hallway. 2 more over here.
I got one in far spawn tower.
Hey guys, hey, prison, quick pause. Everybody stop shooting, stay where they are. Everybody stop shooting, stay where they are for 1 second. I'm blind back. Just sit tight 1 second, please. Hey, ball game, down, ball game. Everybody, put your hands down, just chill out 1 second. We're about to start the game again, okay? I'm just gonna walk him out. Yeah, apparently it's got it. No worries.
Yeah, I can stop. He said I could push into the shade, so I wasn't faking. Okay.
Alright, perfect. We're gonna read this game in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get on.
Got one person up on the hallway, big stage field.
I've got 3 focused on me.
I think the guy that was behind the file cabinet is far back in the fucking car's head. Bombed his ass.
H.